Hello, I'm Irene Sara. Every crocheter should know the single crochet stitch that is one of basic stitches in crocheting and the main stitch for amigurumi toy. In the crochet pattern you can find the abbreviation of this stitch that consists of two letters SC. The symbol of this stitch that is used in patterns can look like a plus or capital letter T. There are two methods to work single crochet stitch. They have the same general steps and different ways of how to grab the working yarn. No matter what method you use, the first step is to find the stitch of previous round where a new single crochet stitch has to be worked. Second step is to find the loop of this stitch where a new single crochet stitch has to be worked. It can be only front loop, only back loop, or both loops of the stitch. For example, I will make single crochet under both loops of this stitch. Third step is to insert the hook into the necessary loop of the necessary stitch, holding the working loop on the hook. Now it's time to see the features of the first method. Place the hook over the working yarn and draw it through the stitch. There are now two loops on hook. Then wrap the working yarn like this and draw it through both loops on hook. One loop remains on the hook now. You have just made one single crochet stitch using yarn under hook method. During crocheting you feel tighter crochet tension. It creates X-stitch single crochet. It gives dense and flattened fabric without holes between stitches. As a result, filler is not visible through the yarn strands. It suits the best for parts of amigurumi toy that need to be stuffed and for its accessories that require tighter fabric. Another method to work single crochet stitch is following. Insert the hook into the necessary loop of the necessary stitch, holding the working loop on the hook. Then place the hook underneath the yarn and draw it through the stitch. There are now two loops on hook. Then wrap the working yarn like this and draw it through both loops on hook. One loop remains on the hook now. You have just made one single crochet stitch using yarn over hook method. During crocheting you feel looser crochet tension, so you get looser fabric. It creates V-stitch single crochet. As a result, there are more chances to see the filler through the yarn strands. It suits for parts of amigurumi toy that need to be unstuffed and for its accessories that require more draped fabric. If your amigurumi consists of stuffed and unstuffed parts, you can use yarn undering method for all parts to get the same tension and X shape of stitch everywhere. Also, you can use different methods to get the different tension and shape of stitch in stuffed and unstuffed parts of amigurumi. It is your own choice. I prefer to use yarn undering method for the whole amigurumi. The next difference is that yarn undering method requires smaller amount of yarn and gives smaller size of finished toy, while yarn overing method requires larger amount of yarn and gives larger size of finished toy. You can also mix these two methods for one single crochet stitch. For example, you can grab the yarn from above to get two loops on the hook. Then you can grab the yarn from below to finish single crochet stitch. Every crocheter should try these methods on practice in order to choose the most comfortable way to get an attractive crochet fabric of amigurumi. Like this video and subscribe to my channel.